Today we learn the level second. In this level we learn how to sketch polygon and ellipse. Just click this, at first click this new and choose part and click OK. And click this front plane and click sketch. Now click this ellipse, just click and sketch on this origin point. Just click this origin point and drag vertically, and again move the cursor in the right side. In the right side, just move it right left, push the left button and move the cursor. Yes, it is critical, so you have to confirm that you have to push the left button of the mouse, then we will move it and click and right click and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, just click this point and again click this point. Now we will just drag it right side and click. Now you can choose any dimension. I will choose 70, click enter. Then again I will click this point and this point, and I will click this and I will keep it 120 and click enter, and right click and select. Now see, our ellipse is created. Now we will sketch the polygon. So just click this polygon and just click on this, just left side, push the left button and move it. Just click and right click and select OK. This is the sketch as a polygon. Okay, or you can learn this spline. Just click this spline and sketch the spline. Just click and just upward direction and again click and click this downward direction and push the left button and drag it upwards, upper side, and click again click the left button and just move it downward and right click and select. Click this on select. Now click on this line. When you will click on this line, you will get this. You can move this. Just you click on this and drag it this or this any side. You can move it and this. You can move it. Again, if you want to this move upward and downward, just click on this and click this line and just click on this and just move the cursor. See, again you will click this on the line and you can change this. Just right click. Now just right click and select. Thank you for this lecture. Okay.